This one goes this way. This one goes on the other side. So if you didn't see the previous video, that back cage in the corner that my wife's in right now is a chicken coop that we assembled for our bunny. And the reason that we did that is because we had a bunny before, and we live in a somewhat wooded area, and our other bunny, his name was Uno, he went missing. And we're pretty sure that a predator got him, as sad as that is. So we decided this time we'll do a little extra protection, and we created a chicken coop that we're using as a bunny coop as a way to keep predators out. And right now the current project is to build him a little bunny house so he has an area to hang out in, a little protection, a little bit of shelter from the weather, and just having an area where he feels safe, can run around and enjoy. So that's what this project is. And that coop inside of our yard is fully enclosed. It has a tarp on the top. It has chicken wire throughout, including on the roof, and we're hoping it will be good enough to keep bobcats or whatever it was that got to little baby Uno the first time. Now, normally for a project that's construction based, I design it on paper ahead of time and make sure I have a really good plan going into it. That's the engineer in me at work. With this particular project, though, we were just using scrap materials, and this is such a small little project, being basically a bunny hutch house thing, that we're just basically putting it together as we go. I had a loose plan in mind. I knew how we were going to put it together. I knew roughly what the frame would look like and that kind of a thing, but I wasn't entirely certain on paper how we were going to do it, so we were using the materials that we have to kind of measure, figure out what's going to work, and make a plan as we go. It all came together pretty well. It definitely will serve its purpose. It's just a little bunny house inside of our bunny coop, so sit back, relax, and watch the magic unfold. It's a Bruno.